In this video, I'm going to share with you all my secrets as to how I keep my car so freaking shiny and so freaking glossy, because if you've seen any of my videos, my car looks like it is just absolutely wet because it is so shiny. But beside the point, getting straight to the point of this video, the first thing I do in making my car super shiny is a random orbital polisher using the Griot's polish. Now, you don't have to use this specific polisher, just any random orbital polisher will work. So wash your car, clay bar it, go and hit it up with a polisher and a polish, and that's gonna be the first step to making it super shiny. Now, right after you polish the car, you're gonna wanna follow up with a ceramic wax. The ceramic wax of my choice is the Griot's 3-in-1 ceramic. It's not a real ceramic wax, if you will, but it's about as real as it gets without actually buying a real ceramic wax. And the reason I say that is I've been using that Griot's 3-in-1 ceramic wax on my vehicles for about 4 years now. And take a look at this video, but this is on a car that I applied it on over 2 years ago. And as you can see, the hydrophobic properties on it are just still ridiculous. And that's with doing a minor touch up once a year, typically before the winters. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's pretty much all it takes. 2 simple steps into keeping your car and making your car super freaking shiny, as you see right here. Now, during the year, I will use this Geon wet coat, which is, it's not a ceramic, but it's like, if you could call it a ceramic spray on, if you will, it would, I guess, be that. But it adds a ton of hydrophobic properties to your car. And it also adds that same sort of protection that a type of ceramic will. Literally what you do to apply this on your car is after you wash it and your car's still wet, spray this on your car's paint, rinse it off with your garden hose, pressure washer, or whatever you use. And that's pretty much it. And it's like a topical. It helps to boost your ceramic waxes or whatever else you already have on your car. So I typically use this a few times throughout the year. But in a nutshell, like I said, very simple process. Polish your car with a polisher, hit it up with ceramic wax, and your car, it's going to look like this, or at least it should, unless you don't do something right. So yeah, the secrets are out of the bag. You can now make your car super shiny and showroom floor glossy, if you will. Same as mine. 2 simple, easy steps: polish your car, ceramic wax it, and Geon wet coat it throughout the year. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, interesting. And I'm going to do a video in the future explaining how to properly polish your car and prep it for a polish as well. Like I said, you need to do a clay bar after washing the car to get all those stuck on contaminants out of the paint before you go and hit it with the polisher pad, polish. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you around. Oh, don't forget, stay glossy, my friends.